y'all go spot this again.
What? Go spot this again? What happened? What you mean you go spot this again? Girl, you know something we don't know? What you out here doing?
I'm gonna tell you the comment that made me go spot this wig. As you can see from this screenshot, the good sis was not pleased with her order. I don't like that. I want y'all to really be happy when y'all get these wigs, but that's why I'm doing this. And I was like, you know what? I'm about to go spot again. I just gotta see some, okay? Sometimes you just get a bad one. You reach out to the company, they either refund you or they send you another one. All is well with the world. You may have a dud in the batch, okay? I want y'all to know something. Just because I ghost bought from a company before does not mean that I will never ghost buy from them again. Okay? Yeah, just know that. Making sure. That's why I'm ghost buying from this company again. Hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. I see it in your eyes. You want this even more, like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight.
So here are the results, fam. The wig is wigging. It's giving what it's supposed to give, okay? If you happen to get a wig that you feel like there's something wrong with it, reach out to these companies, you guys, because it can happen. I hope that this helps you guys. This is a bomb wig. This M cap line is ridiculous. I love it. You can wear it glueless. You can melt it like I did. I did show you glueless though. I appreciate you guys coming back, letting me know about your great experiences and your not so great experiences, because that is what triggered this ghost buy. Someone who had not the best experience. So I just wanted to ghost buy again. This has been another successful ghost buy from ISEE Hair, and I just wanted to do this to let y'all know. When I saw that comment, I was like, no, I don't like that. Not on the commenter's behalf, but that the fact that she had that experience, that's not cool with me, and that's why I do these ghost buys. So listen, it can happen that you just get a bad wig, especially if these are like machine made wigs. But as far as this ghost buy, yeah, it's coming at it. Alright, y'all, hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. And I didn't really go into detail about this wig like that because I've reviewed it before. This is just, you know, for me to ghost buy, just to make sure that once I ghost buy, then it just didn't turn to shambles after that. You know what I'm saying? Like, we ghost buy, so that does not stop. We got a whole system in place, okay? Okay, but this is the result. I like it, and I'm about to go out with my man. All right, y'all. Peace, love, light.